This video examines the Supreme Court case of Enrile versus Sandiganbayan, decided on February 27, 2024. Justice Maria Filomena D. Singh served as the ponente. In this first part, we explore the background and procedural history of the case, tracing its development from the initial 2014 plunder indictment to the petition for prohibition filed before the Supreme Court. Here is the case timeline. It began in June 2014, with plunder charges against Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. After years of motions regarding a bill of particulars and pretrial orders, the Supreme Court finally issued its decision in February 2024. The case concerns alleged kickbacks totaling over 172 million pesos from the Priority Development Assistance Fund. Senator Enrile was charged alongside several others for their roles in this diversion scheme. The legal conflict centers on the use of a bill of particulars. The petitioner argued that the prosecution should be restricted to the evidence listed in the bill, while the Sandiganbayan maintained that ordinary trial objections were sufficient. Part 2 of this video examines the key issues before the court, focusing on procedural propriety, the statutory function of a bill of particulars, and constitutional guarantees. The court evaluated 3 core issues: the timeliness of the Rule 65 petition, the requirements for integrating a bill of particulars into a pretrial order, and the scope of evidence allowed at trial. In the third part, we review the Supreme Court's ruling, which resulted in the unanimous dismissal of the petition on both procedural and substantive grounds. Procedurally, the court found the petition untimely, as it was filed well beyond the 60-day limit. Furthermore, the court noted a failure to exhaust ordinary remedies, finding no grave abuse of discretion by the Sandiganbayan. The court clarified that a bill of particulars and a pretrial order serve different purposes. The former clarifies allegations, while the latter governs trial conduct, and there is no requirement to copy the bill into the order verbatim. Finally, the court distinguished between ultimate facts, which must be alleged, and evidentiary details. The prosecution is not required to disclose every piece of evidence in a bill of particulars. In summary, the court dismissed the petition on all counts, upholding the Sandiganbayan's processes and emphasizing that ordinary trial procedures remain the appropriate venue for these evidentiary disputes. This concludes our review of the case. The image source used in this video is provided for reference.